Hey, it's Mr. Johns. Welcome to this first episode of, let's see, what are we going to play? First of all, a racing game. So, been playing a lot of farming sim and other games lately, mostly farming sim. Looking at my library in Steam, American Truck Simulator, Assetto Corsa Competition, Automobilista 2, Beam NG Drive, Circuit Superstars, City Car Driving, The Crew 2, The Crew 2 Trial. Guess I don't need both of those. The Crew Motorfest, Dakar Desert Rally, Dirt Rally 2, Driving School Simulator, EA Sports, WRC 24, Expeditions, a Mud Runners game, Forza Horizon 5, Forza Motorsport, Mini Motorways, Mud Runner, Off-Road Horizons Rock Crawling Simulator, Pacific Drive, Pure Rock Crawling, Snow Runner, Spitfires, Super Woden GP, and Super Woden GP2. So, those are all the games that I have purchased for driving, racing, etc. Just picked up Dirt Rally 2. I was going to get back into EA Sports WRC. I love the rally concept. I just wasn't hooked right away with that, but I thought maybe I would jump into Dirt Rally 2, and I played one race yesterday, and I loved it. It kind of felt like, let's see, now that I think about it, this is a game I could not get to go on my second monitor. Let me see. So I've got two monitors set up, big, I don't know what they are, 20-inch monsters, and it will not put, it'll only put, so it does something to my, it does something to the monitors, to the graphics. So I do believe it's a couple years old, this game, and sometimes, just normally I can just, wait, but now it's running on both screens, so that's weird. So it doesn't know how to deal with two monitors, and it's trying to make my left monitor the main monitor. So maybe what I can do is go into the game. There we go. Wait. Not sure what happened. I don't know. Got lucky. I got lucky there. It just bounced back and forth between monitors. So I was going to see if I could go in and force it to choose. So interesting game here. It's got my team. It's got free play where you can race through different rallies. Also has a Colin McRae legend. You can race through his career, which is really cool. Options and extras, etc. So that's kind of cool. I started a career, and it felt a lot like the first race I did felt a lot like racing the, what's it called, the big mountain in Colorado. Cannot think of it off the top of my head, but it felt like that. It was a concrete course, and just felt like I was racing for the fastest time possible. So what you have is at this screen here, the Career Rally and Career Rally Cross. So the difference between those, rally is one car at a time, timed. So it's just you and the same track as everybody else. You get your own shot at it, and then whoever has the lowest time wins. Rallycross is a race course. It's everybody at once, and so a similar kind of thing, and the course could include sand, gravel, pavement, cross water, etc. So really excited to do both. So there's a career in both. There's also daily challenges, which sounds cool, and I don't know why there's three of them, it looks like, but stage ones will look all the same to me. Oh, they're different classes. Lower left corner, Group B, rear-wheel drive. This is Rally GT, and then this one is Cross Kart, whatever that is. There's also weekly challenges for each category as well, more daily challenges, etc., all the way around. So maybe there's a bunch of them. So, I may participate in a few of those. So today I just want to do one quick race. I don't like the fact that it has to communicate with the server constantly. And that's one downside to everything being online these days. So, 4.35 mile race. There's the map, what it looks like. Beep. Salida Desde, whatever. Kind of a quick overview of the track. So you can skip that, of course, but it does kind of help to get a kind of an idea of what we're looking at. So paved. I don't know. It looks fairly flat. So let's go ahead and skip that and jump right in. So here's my car, which I think is really cool. I'm in Spain, and if you have any damage from the previous race, it's what's interesting about this game is it does it by time, and you have basically 30 minutes of repair time, and so you have to choose what needs to be done the most in that time. And if you get any penalties, it takes away from that time. So that's kind of an interesting take on that. I can change my tires here and all this kind of good stuff. Options, which I'm not going to deal with. I'm just going to go ahead and there's a shakedown thing, which is like a pre-run. I don't like it. I never have liked that concept. I don't want to. I mean, I get it. If you're doing this for real, you're gonna want to pre-run the track as many times as you can and memorize the corners, and then you have waiting for my turn here. Beep beep. I have to hold the handbrake, which is interesting, and then that seems kind of hard on the engine. Bam, and you can't. This is a crazy turn right away, right here. You can't jump the gun. You get a penalty if you start the race too early. So this is some pretty serious racing. If you make a mistake, you're off the mountain, or into the mountain. So I love it. I've always liked the concept of this so much more. I used to follow NASCAR racing a lot. Careful. You don't want to overshoot because you end up off the road like that. That's terrible. It's terrible. It's terrible. I used to watch NASCAR races, and I get tired. How do I get it to go up the hill, dude? Come on, let's go. How do I reset it? Come on, let's go, baby. Anyway, I get tired of NASCAR just being round and around and around. Well, that was terrible. I just wasted like a minute or two being down in the ditch. So, anyway, this is not NASCAR, so NASCAR is dangerous too. But this is so much more fun and interesting. And if it was on TV every Sunday, I would watch it instead. So any kind of rallycross. So I can see upper right corner when I have a chance to look. I'm like in 4th position, no 8th position now, no last. So yeah, and I should be for that off-track mishap there. Ooh, okay, so you've got to tap the emergency brake as well as look at all the black tread on the road. Also, normally in a rally race, you have a one thing that's interesting about this game versus WRC and most of the other rally race games, you have careful. You have oversteer. That's oversteer right there. You have a navigator who's telling you what's coming up. And in this case, no. I'm not sure why. There is no. But so I have to look at that and say 6 slight right, 5 slight left. And the number is the... Oh, come on. That was terrible. The number is the severity of it. So it's a combination of... So green into a yellow 3. So it tells you how sharp that one was. And then that one's even sharper. So you have to pay attention to that stuff too, and then it shows there's like a dip coming up. So pay attention to that. I didn't see where the dip was. This is a sharp little whoop-de-doo here. So you've got to be pretty good at drifting, which is not my thing. But, and most people just take this full out, you know. I can't do it. So partly the driver's ed teacher in me, I'm trying to do it like so safely. I have to fight all the urges to be safe. And then I remember it's a game, and the name of the game is Fast. So, and there's no street laws I have to follow right now. So I have to tell myself that it's okay. Woo, let's go. But super fun. I love the concept. I love the graphics. I love the feel. I am racing with a not a joystick, gamepad and controller. There we go. And I have a wheel and a gas pedal setup. I just never. It's not close enough to really driving. Oh, that was terrible. Oh, that's gonna hurt. Okay, there we go. Come on, back on the road. Woo! Okay, man, I was up there to 4th there for a while. Okay, so you gotta stay on the bridge, that's for sure. So regardless of how I'm doing, it's super fun. So if you're interested, Dirt 2 Rally or something like that. Dirt Rally 2, maybe it's Dirt Rally 2. So I basically wait till games are on sale for a reasonable price. Unless it's a brand new game I've just got to have. I think I just spent 50 or 60 on Red Dead 1, which is a 10-year-old game that I played on the PlayStation, and it's out next week on the PC, remastered, and I'm in second place. Maybe that's just maybe the second place is just the section. Whoa, there's a little bit of a glitch. Oh, tight corner. Thing is, don't worry about my position. Worry about the car. There we go. This is coming into the Marshall. Whew. It's kind of intense. You're kind of out of breath once you're done racing. So 5th place is better than I thought I would do. 5 minutes and 13 seconds. I do have a navigator. He's in there with me, but he's not talking to me. So 11th. So that's, I guess, overall 11th. I'm not sure why, but there we go. 11th place, and there we go. Let's look at the leaderboard. It's probably the same kind of thing. Whew. So there I am, and it's fun. So really like it. Looks like I got some kind of a achievement, adaptable, whatever that means. So stage 2, also still in Spain. I'm not sure how many stages there are. I'll do this one next time around. Thanks for joining me this time, though. For now, Mr. Johns is out.